Hello everyone. Please help me congratulate the November 2021 Chef of the Month, John Racanelli. John is a very talented and independent chef who pays attention to detail. Let's watch him in action.
Pan up.
Hey, John.
Okay, let's spray it. Perfect. Bravo. All right, let's spread out our vegetables. Perfect, John. Bravo. All right, so we've spread it out. Let's pour some sauce into a bowl, and then we'll brush it on. Brush it on. Perfect, John. Perfect. Keep going. This is just like art class. We're going to brush everything, then we're going to turn it over and do the other side. And we want to make sure we do our vegetables as well. Otherwise, they'll be too bland. No one likes bland. Doing great. Keep going. 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 Perfect. Keep going. You're doing great.
Okay.
Come on. Beautiful. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. Sprinkle it on and sprinkle it on. He's got his own unique way of sprinkling. It's kind of a work. Some of the greatest chefs invented new methods.
Put on the veggie. Sprinkle on the veggie.
Here's the dinner that John made for himself. It looks so good. If you see John around, please congratulate him.